How to leave someone private story on Snapchat. In this video, I will show you how to leave someone private story on Snapchat. First, open or launch the Snapchat mobile application just like I have done here. You will land on the homepage of the app. From there, tap on the profile icon. It is this icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile settings of your Snapchat account where you will sections related to the profile. After that, make sure you scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach this section of your profile. Section is named Friends. Under the section, there are two options. From the options, the one we need is this one here named My Friends. Tap on it. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. On this page, you will see a list of all your Snapchat friends arranged alphabetically. What you have to do now is simple. Long press on the person you want to leave their private story. After doing that, this menu will appear from the bottom. There are many different options on the menu that you can use to manage and make changes to your friendship with this person. From the options, the one we need is the one here named Story Settings. After that, Story will appear that you can set for this person. If they have added to a private story, you will see an option named Leave Private Story. So, tap on it, and just like that you would leave someone a private story on Snapchat. That is how to leave someone private story on Snapchat.